So welcome to Green Door Diaries, where creativity goes beyond the frames and we have lots and lots of conversation about art and so much other stuff. I'm Mehak Bhan, your friendly neighborhood curator, and we are going to talk about art and start with a big beautiful question today. Why do we need art galleries? Do we really need them? So पहले मुझे भी यही लगता था, थोड़ा Instagram scroll करो, थोड़ा website surf करो and बस काम done. But nahi, there's so much more to it, and that ends up in understanding why do we really need an art gallery in a place. Let's dive into the very first question. I'm all set.
Why is it important for a community or an area to have its very own gallery?
Art always grows in the place where it's rooted, just like a plant. So, and every place has its own rhythm, just like I would say Delhi ka drama hai, Jaipur ki poetry hai, Chandigarh ka aesthetic hai. So a gallery is like a mirror of the cultural identity of the place. It shows, it tells the gallery tells the art and the artist that you matter, you deserve a space, you deserve a focus, and we provide you that.
So Mehak, why not just hang a few paintings at cafes or shops and call it a gallery? Like, why do we need this space?
Cafes are amazing spaces. They are cozy, they are inviting. We love catching up with our friends there and sipping cappuccinos. And also, art भी दिख जाती है, बहुत अच्छी लगती है. मगर I feel galleries showcase art with the importance and the focus which the art deserves, with the right light, with the right background, with the right knowledge, so that the viewer can understand and appreciate the art in the right way, and the artists deserve and get the focus which they get.
But do regular people even go to galleries? Isn't it a little like hi-fi?
So this is a very, very common misconception. Everybody feels galleries is about black turtlenecks, red lipsticks and wine and cheese. But that is not really the case. I feel galleries are for everybody. The tired uncles, aunties, office goers, grandparents, curious children, everybody should, must and actually do go to the galleries and enjoy art. Because art provides us an opportunity to expand our horizons. आर्ट से ही हमारे पर्सपेक्टिव्स बदल सकते हैं. हम दूसरे के नज़रिए से कोई भी चीज़ देखते हैं तो हम एक नया नज़रिया देखने के लिए हम रेडी हो जाते हैं और उसको समझने के लिए, और कुछ बार अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए, और कुछ बार ही हम सोचते हैं नहीं नहीं भाई ये गलत है, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा. तो दोनों चीज़ ठीक है, बट जब तक हम दूसरे का पर्सपेक्टिव देखेंगे नहीं, समझने की कोशिश नहीं करेंगे, हमारा आइडिया बढ़ेगा कैसे?
How do galleries impact young artists in a community?
I feel it's a game changer. You know, imagine a young artist who's just freshly graduated from an art school or probably still studying and, you know, fending for oneself, watching a movie, eating Maggie and thinking, what will I do with all this amazing art that I'm creating, or what's the next step? And in a little while, a gallery picks up the artist and the work is displayed under proper lighting and with the proper framing, and you have people coming to view the art. लोग art देखते हैं, उसको कहते हैं wow, and the artist is there and the artist feel not only validated but motivated. You know, the artist is ready to jump into the fray, you know. So I feel not only that, you know, galleries provide the essential survival kit kind of thing for the artists, where the artists learn how to price their work, how to talk about their work, and most importantly also how to take feedback in a positive, constructive manner. Yeah.
And what if a town has no galleries at all? Like, how would that impact the town?
I feel a town without galleries is like a party without music. You know, it's like a silent party. So galleries are essential and intrinsic for the fabric of any community. Galleries are like a speed breaker, if I can say. You know, we have a long to-do list, everybody is running on a treadmill and we go from one job to the other. But galleries give us that pause. It gives us that time to say, yes, now you can stop and take a deep breath. We can calm down and we can take time to learn something new and just take a deep breath.
Yeah, that's awesome. What about if someone says, I don't get art? Like, what do you say to someone like that? Or how do you induce them into this culture?
I would say that's perfect. Welcome to the club, and let's start on a fresh new journey full of excitement and adventure, because art is not a math problem. It's not a puzzle जिसको हमने solve करना है and इसका एक correct solution है, ऐसे तो है नहीं. So it's just, art is more than willing to meet you halfway. So start the journey and and enjoy the ride.
Yeah.
So that's about it.
There are so many galleries which have modern art. Are galleries only for modern art? What about like traditional stuff?
So galleries, depending on the person behind the gallery, whoever is the gallerist, delve into all sorts of art. It could be traditional art like Pitchwise and Madhubanis, or more contemporary art and abstracts, landscapes, figuratives. So as long as it's evocative and it touches a chord in your heart, अगर दिल को छूता है और आर्ट है तो कोई ना कोई गैलरी तो उसे ज़रूर प्यार करेगा और अपने साथ रखेगा.
That's amazing. What about the communal aspect of a gallery? Do you think galleries can really bring people together? Can it be like, or is it just like an elite hangout?
I feel galleries are actually, just a kind of social mixers as well. They perform that function as well. Strangers come together and without any pressure, they are able to share their viewpoints about different aspects of art, and also get to know each other and get to know the artist and the art. For example, one of the earlier shows we had at the gallery was a show by the artist Gurmeet Marava. So there was this painting of an owl which was sitting atop a grenade. So the painting was titled Marriage. So there were people in the, people who'd come to view and people who didn't know each other. So one person, an older uncle, said that this is definitely a love marriage. And a younger person was just right there and didn't know this older person and said, nahi, this is definitely arranged marriage. So, it sparked a healthy conversation and debate, and it was so much maza and so much fun to just hear all this.
Isn't the gallery just about selling art? It's a business at the end of the day, or is there something more?
See, I won't lie, business to hai. Just like schools, just like hospitals, and because it's a business, I feel it's run and everybody makes it their endeavor to run it well. So, but at the same time, galleries are also career builders, they are also mentors, they are also guides. And I feel galleries, आप सोचिए एक talent factory है जिसमें aesthetic भी है और heart भी है. And because it's a business, artists also deserve to earn, and they do.
Perfect.
After this chat, I hope you all agree with me that we really do need an art gallery, not just to see art, but to see ourselves, to see and find and explore ourselves. If you enjoyed our chat, then please let us know whether your city or area has an art gallery and what you like best about it. And we will not ask you to share, subscribe or like this post, but in case you do, like it anyway.